What's up? How you doing? Here I am again with one more AIWA stereo cassette deck, ADWX888. This is one very important model to me because it was my, let's say, first serious cassette deck. Before that, I did have one that I made a video, Reese, for 4020, yeah. But this was one first, like a top quality deck for me at the time that I acquired. And that's why I'm a little bit sentimental and I tried to revive it. I did make it for a first deck, but the other one, it's not gonna be salvaged because there is a broken part inside, and I don't know, you can see the display here is a little bit dim, which means the deck was working a lot and stuff like that. And it's a cheap deck, you can buy it broken for $50 on eBay. Nothing special. I was just a little bit nostalgic and I wanted to go back in time, but I couldn't make it. I used it mostly for dubbing, so it was good for that thing, even for a high-speed dubbing. And it did have a bias knob for normal and chrome tape, which was unusual. Also balance and recording knob. Nothing special. Left deck playback, the other one recording. Oh yeah, the head was good. PCOCC pure Amorphous head. Quick auto reverse. That was nice. A double counter. Nothing special to see here. Nothing special with the specification, characteristics. It was kinda lame. 20 Hz to 16 kHz for normal, 20 to 17 kHz for chrome, and metal was 20 to 18 kHz. Yeah. Wow and flutter 0.12 or 0.065 WRMS, and a little bit worse on, or the same on deck B. Nothing special, really. But yeah, I was nostalgic and I tried to revive it. I couldn't make it. Maybe we can. It's still opened. What's gonna happen with this one? It's gonna be salvaged. It's gonna be. I'm gonna take the belts because they are new. I'm gonna take the motors because they are working, and the rest probably will be thrown away properly. Plastic with plastic, metal with metal, and that's it. I'm gonna recycle it. It's not worth it. I know if someone is looking this video from some other country, like that is not, America, Canada, it will say, no, don't throw it away. But yeah, you can't fix it because parts, man. Unless you have the another one, and then it gets expensive. You have $100, you want to buy a working deck. So, and I don't know how, it's cheap. All that plastic parts inside are kinda. We're gonna salvage some gears. I don't know. I got one more AIWA that I need to fix, but that one is pretty much needs only belts. And if I use those belts for that one, then kinda we fixed another one. Alright, I'll take as much parts as I can. Heads are probably good condition, stuff like that. Maybe I'm gonna need a auto reverse head for another AIWA cassette deck, who knows. That would be it, nothing much to take from this deck. Let's see if I can open it so we can see how it looks inside. Can I do it with one hand, not to hurt myself or my monitor? Yeah. Now we can put this light like this. So that would be the main board. Those two knobs are recording level. Very interesting. Yeah, but okay, that makes sense. You know, like I would rather sit on the board so signal can travel less than go here and there. And look at those motors. Motors are like $15, $15. That's $30. Two belts, like that's almost $50. And if I want to sell this one on eBay, I'm gonna get $30. You know what I mean? I'm gonna need this switch. Do not touch it. Okay, I will not. And probably some couple of more parts. Board is who cares? So, and I will throw all these metal parts away. So it needs to be recycled. It's gone. What can I say? It's gone. Ooh, look at this. He wants to kill me because I want to throw him away. Oh yeah. No, it's good looking. That's why I was tricked. Like it was good looking deck. So yeah, like look, this was very nice, good looking deck at the time. But now, yeah, I think I don't want to be nostalgic. That's all I have to say. So I just wanted to show you this one. I don't know how many videos are with this cassette deck on eBay, on YouTube. So I just wanted to put another one. So in the future, if someone wants to see how this cassette deck was good and pretty, maybe this video would be, useful. All right, take care. See you next time.